What is going on, fellow shiny cardboard addicts? Welcome to the channel. My name is Cosnova, and today we're going to be checking out one of these fancy TCG grading tools. Now, I've heard about these things for years. I've never personally tried one, but a very good friend of mine recommended one to me, and the company Black Label Metrics was kind enough to send me out a couple samples, so thank you guys very much. I also thought this was really funny. They included a package of ramen noodles that says, "Our grading tool is easy on the wallet and worth every penny, but we know these cards can still be pricey, so tonight dinner's on us. Enjoy. Black Label Metrics team." You guys are hilarious. That went straight to my heart. I'm a massive noodle fan. My logo is tattooed on my hand. I'm all about the noodles. So really, with grading and my personal history with this, I've always gone off my eye. I've never really used a tool before. I know that they do exist. This did catch my eye when my friend recommended this to me. I checked out their page, I checked out their videos, and I was like, this is kind of cool. I want to check it out. So I recently pulled the Lily's Clefairy Full Art from Journey Together, Pokemon English release. We're going to drop it in here on the scale that Black Label Metrics has sent me, and then we're going to use their scaling sheet to see what this device thinks my Lily could get. Now, probably going to lean off frame here for a second while I lean in. I need to be looking at this top down. You guys can probably see it, but let's take a look. Let's zoom in here, and it's a little bit of an angle, but I think I could kind of move that up a little bit. Yeah, a little bit of an angle because of my camera, but if I'm looking at it from top down, on my left side border, I'm seeing it right into that outside edge, and same, like it kind of fits perfectly. Like, I already knew this card had really good centering, so I definitely wanted to see if the Black Label Metrics device would agree with that conclusion that I had come to, and it looks like it certainly does based on the way this is set up. Also, I love the color of this. Love the wolf on there. Everything feels really good. There's like 2 layers to this, so you have the base where the card goes in, and then you lay this over top, and then what we would use is their grading scale to kind of explain those gaps, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, with some bold lines running through, and what you're looking for are the same gaps, right? Like if we have a 2-to-2 ratio, like a 2 on the left, 2 on the right, 2, 2, we have a 50-50 ratio, which is like, perfect. That's your best chance at a 10. And you can still see like a 3-to-2, like say it's in bar 3 and it's in bar 2. You got 60-40, which is, you kind of still have a chance on that, especially regarding PSA's new rules about their margins. But this is really cool. I planned on sending the card anyway. I feel a lot more confident now knowing that my eye kind of agrees with the scale here on Black Label Metrics. So thank you guys very much for sending this out. Stay tuned for the follow-up video because we are going to grade this card and we're going to see what we can get. Thank you guys for coming out. We'll see what's up.